The city of Kelowna is trying to figure out why somebody took a chainsaw to a tree on city property in Black Mountain. This video sent to Castanet shows two people not employed by the city cutting down the large tree. What it doesn't show is a home under construction, which obtained a better view once the tree was removed. City Urban Forestry Supervisor Blair Stewart says bylaws are trying to contact the owner of the home to get to the bottom of the matter. Anybody who cuts down a tree on city land without permission for any reason could be subject to fines or penalties up to the equitable value of the tree. Stewart says if people are unsure who a tree belongs to, call the city. Wayne Moore, Castanet News.
Read letters to the editor in our letters section under the opinion button in the yellow masthead. Email your letters to letters@castanet.net.